shot me in the forehead and I started bleeding.
Huh? Right in front of me. Move up on him, move up on him.
Help me out, guys.
All right, go.
Nick.
Hey, yeah, keep your eyes that way.
Yeah.
There's a go down. There's our second one.
Over.
Next one.
Oh, right here. Yeah, moving right. I'll get shot.
Hey, want to get a pistol go? Want to get a pistol go?
Why?
Come here, I got a guy right here. Just run at him. I'll give him cover fire.
I don't see him
Yeah,
though.
moving right. Got moving right. Moving right. Oh, he's it.
Tires. Tires in the back.
Moved up, man. You would have got him. You know, Alex?
Yep.
Oh.
Ow! Never hit me, ricocheted hard.
Reload.
Hey, right here.
Reload.
I got you covered.
Oh, you got him.
We got
Watch
him,
it.
we got him. Force school, right in front of you, Derek. Right in front of you, bro. Look low. Oh.
All right, green. Green.
Where?
Right in front of you, dude. Bar school in the back.
With the P on it, with the white P on it. He's behind it.
God, that's fucking Alex, right?
Yes, Paul.
Hey, I'm moving right. Hey, I got it. All right.
I'll let him move a little.
Okay.
I'll just send my way better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit, Vito.
Whoa! Get down. Get down.
Who's that?
That.
Coming from the left. Got him.
There's a guy closer.
Never
How was
mind.
that guy in the yellow out here?
Is he playing?
Yeah, he's on far.
Oh, I got you, buddy. I got him. That was a
Hey,
dick.
Whoa.
Fucking
You gotta
fires.
watch that, dude. You just shot me in the back. You ricocheted off this and hit me in the back.
Did it?
Yeah, you gotta
Okay.
watch that, man.
Okay, I'm sorry, man.
It's all good.
He's just getting antsy.
Got him.
One
Hey,
hit.
guys, this area might wreck you.
No, he kind of went out of bounds a little bit, but it's all
How's
good. House in front of us.
Hey, man. Hey, Derek, Xbox 360.
Yeah, I called that earlier. It's like, hey, Xbox.
Kind of scared pop up on did, man. Oh, dude, I think you got that guy too over there.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. I think I need to bump up my head. Fuck. Yeah,
Hey, we've got one right in front of us. Dominic with the P wire spool.
it's the bar. Hey, it's the bar still over here. There's a
With the white P on it.
Hey, Dominic, you see that spool over there?
bar still right over here.
Start lighting it up.
Yeah, they want the key right there.
Actually,
There he is.
Dominic
He's got
should
his
be
gun
up
up. He's
here.
got his gun up. Fine, fine.
Dominic, if you want to move up right there, you can. There it is. Go back.
Give me some cover, guys.
where are you going to?
There he is. There
Fuck
he is.
him
there he
up.
is.
You ready?
Yep.
Let's try it down. Just this part, this P.
Hey,
Yeah,
yeah.
he's behind the
Let's
P.
go.
They're coming
Give you
through.
straight fire, okay?
Hey, guys. Dominic, on the count of 3, start lighting it up over there. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Hey, speedo's on the tires. Speedo's on the tires. Light those tires up.
Where?
The tires right back there. Speedo's on them. All right. Trevor, help me out. Trevor, I'm moving up. That's game!